Hey Andrew, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I had sent you a message offering to do a free website audit. I never had heard anything back. I had some free time today, so I figured I would just hop on and take a look at your site and see what you had going on. So I was just gonna film this quick video for you and send it your way, and you can kind of do with it what you want. So this is obviously your website. Definitely like the site you have, well built. Like all the pictures. One thing I would, change with your site, most websites that are in the number 1 spot, so that would be right in the spot right here. Most websites within Google have at least 1,500 words or content on this homepage. Yours right now has about 440, is what I counted up earlier. But then I'll kind of show you what your competitors are doing, but with the 440, adding some more content on there would definitely help you out with your rankings. I did a quick page speed insights. This is just through Google. You currently have a score of 59. So doing some on-site optimization, you can run this yourself also. If you just do Google page speed insights Google, you just put in your home page and it'll kind of give you a score for your site. But getting this to load a lot faster will also help. Google likes to put the websites up front or in those top spots. They're going to have the fastest load times and really increase the user experience. So getting back into your site, I have a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's kind of an expensive tool. It's like $180 a month, but they do offer a 7-day, $7 trial. So if this is something you ever wanted to get on here and look at what you have going on with your site or what your competitors are doing, that is an option for that 7 days. Just make sure you do cancel it within that 7 days, or else you'll get charged that $180, which kind of sucks. So what this allows me to do is it allows me to look at your website, kind of the inner workings, and see what keywords you're ranking for, how many backlinks you have, and how many referring domains you have. So a backlink, what that is it's kind of, Google's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So if you are able to get your site linked to a more popular site, and in turn it gives you a vote, or what we call link juice, then it brings up the popularity of your site. So how that works is site A links to site B, we get the backlink juice from site A, and it makes your site more popular. So what that is you're putting references to your site within directories or other blog posts and stuff like that, and in turn that gives you more backlinks. So currently you have 2 backlinks from 2 referring domains, and you're at 51 organic keywords. With this tool also, it allows me to look at what keywords you're ranking for, and I can see the volumes these keywords get searched every month, and then how difficult it would be to get you ranked for that keyword. And then also it shows the cost per click, which is running Google ads. What you could expect to pay. This is on average. These aren't super up to date. It shows here that the last time this keyword was ran was the 7th of August, but it really does give us a pretty good indication of kind of where everything's at. So looking at your competition, going to FitPA, so that would be this one here. So their website, they have 986 words of content for that top ranked spot, so definitely doable to pass them up. Looking at the backlinks they have compared to what you have, so they have 488 backlinks, which seems like a lot, but they only have 16 referring domains. So what that means is they have a lot of different websites that they're mentioning their business on. And so that number of backlinks doesn't really scare me at all. Another thing you want to look at is if they're do follow or not. So what the do follow is I could put your backlink on a site, but unless it's do follow, you're not going to get any of that backlink juice back. So only 10 do follow referring domains, so that'd be super easy to pass them up. Looking at some of the organic keywords they had, really can kind of tell you a lot of what to target. So looking at in-home personal training, you can see that there's 250 searches a month in Canada, and they're ranked 2nd right now. But if you get into that top spot, generally you can figure to get about 33% of all clicks going to your website. So in-home personal training Toronto, 150. These aren't super easy to rank for. This is based off of a 1 to 100, so I know you're thinking 29 still seems pretty low. I really like to try to target, anything maybe below 15, but this is definitely something doable. especially compared to what they have for backlinks to get you ranked into that spot would definitely be a very doable task for you. Looking at the number 2, Nielsen Fitness. This is their website. They had 752 words of content. Part of that being that they have these reviews that they did that are constantly scrolling, and so that all counts as their content they have on their website. Looking at backlinks they have 832 backlinks from 127 referring domains, but only 47 of those are actually do follow. So again, a very doable site to pass up. Organic keywords wise, they have a crap ton of them, and a lot of them are going to be a lot of the same stuff. Toronto personal trainer, in-home personal training, personal trainer Toronto. It's getting 1,000 a month, which is just a ridiculous amount. So getting you into that top spot. I know you said on your post on Facebook that once you get them to you, you're able to close them. So if you're able to capture 33% of that, you're talking about building out and adding more personal trainers. Capturing part of that would definitely be a huge bonus for you and your business. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about real quick here, this is called the Google Map Packs. So this is when people are, most people are doing their searches for mobile devices these days. They're searching in-home personal trainer near me. And so this is all location relevant. So it's going to pop up with the ones that are closest to them. And then it's also going to be factoring in the number of citations that each business has. And a citation is your name, your business address, and your business phone number. So getting your citations done will really help you get into this map pack. Looking at what your competition has for these top 3 here. So Fitness on the Go Toronto, they only have 14. Your House Fitness, which was this one here, they have 53. Then Nielsen had 15. So really just targeting what these people have already done for citations, so I can actually look at the sources that they've used, and you can go in and put your citations in the same spot, or just really blowing them out of the water. Try to target 150 of these things, and getting those citations in would really help you with your rankings. But really getting you into this map pack here and getting your website to this spot here, you could really capture a lot of that search volume that you have coming in for in-home personal training for Toronto. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll get back to you however I can. All right, thank you.